Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to the Special Educator Kishore Kumar. If you are a student, teacher, parent, or someone else who wants to build a career in the field of disability rehabilitation and special education, then today's video is especially for you. Many students ask questions such as, how can I become a special educator? Which courses are approved by the Rehabilitation Council of India? Which national institutes offer special education and rehabilitation courses? What are the career opportunities in the disability sector? So in this video, I will provide you the complete information about the major national institutes functioning under the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, DEPWD, Government of India, along with the courses offered by them and the composite regional centers, CRCs, functioning across the country. So watch this video till the end because it may help you choose the right career path in the special education and rehabilitation. So let's start this journey. Currently, there are 10 national institutes in India for persons with disabilities. The first one is National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Visual Disabilities, NIEPVD, Dehradun. This institute was established in 1943. It is located in Dehradun. The main disability area of this institute is visual impairment. The main objective of the institute is to empower persons with visual impairment through education, assistive technology, and rehabilitation, and to promote equal opportunities and independent living. So the courses offered by this institute are BSc Clinical Psychology Honor 4 years, MA Clinical Psychology 2 years, PhD in Clinical Psychology 4 years, Postgraduate Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology 1 year, Integrated MSc Applied Psychology 5 years, DEd in Special Education Visual Impairment 2 years, BEd Special Education BI, MD, DB 2 years each, MEd Special Education Visual Impairment 2 years, Certificate Course in Braille, Diploma in Orientation and Mobility Computer Training Programs for persons with visual impairment, rehabilitation training programs for teachers and professionals. Now the question is, how will you get the details and eligibility criteria for all these courses? So just visit the official website of the institute, niepbd.nic.in. The second institute is Ali Jawar Jung National Institute of Speech and Hearing Disabilities, AYJ NISHD, Mumbai. This institute was established in 1983. It is located in Bandra, West Mumbai, Maharashtra. The main disability area of this institute is hearing impairment. The main objective of the institute is to enhance communication and education for persons with hearing impairment and to promote speech, sign language, and inclusive participation. The courses offered by this institute are DEd Special Education Hearing Impairment 2 years, BEd Special Education Hearing Impairment 2 years, MEd Special Education Hearing Impairment 2 years, Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology 4 years, Masters in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology 2 years, Diploma in Special Education HI 2 years, Diploma in Hearing Language and Speech 1 year, Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation 2 years, PhD in Special Education 3 to 6 years, PhD in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology 4 years. For more information, you can visit the official website of the institute, ayjnishd.nic.in. The third institute is National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, NIPID, Secunderabad. This institute was established in 1984. It is located in Mano Vikas Nagar, Bhuvanpalli, Secunderabad, Telangana. The main disability area of this institute is intellectual disability. The main objective of the institute is to empower persons with intellectual disabilities through education, rehabilitation, and skill development, and to promote independence, inclusion for a better quality of life. The courses offered by this institute are DEd Special Education Intellectual Disability 2 years, BA Psychology with BEd Special Education ID 4 years, BEd Special Education Intellectual Disability 2 years, MEd Special Education Intellectual Disability 2 years, Diploma in Vocational Rehabilitation 1 year, Diploma in Early Childhood Special Education ID 1 year, Postgraduate Diploma in Early Intervention 1 year, Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation 1 year, Certificate courses in Intellectual Disability and Caregiving, usually short term. For more details, visit the official website of the institute, niepid.nic.in. The fourth institute is National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities, NIEPMD, Chennai. This institute was established in 2005. It is located in Chennai. The main disability area of this institute is multiple disabilities. The primary objective of the institute is to provide comprehensive care for persons with multiple disabilities from early intervention to adulthood, and to promote inclusive education, rehabilitation, and community participation. The courses offered by this institute are Bachelor of Physiotherapy 4 years plus 6 months internship, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy 4 years plus 6 months internship, Bachelor in Prosthetic and Orthotics 4 years plus 6 months internship, Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology 4 years, B.Ed Special Education Multiple Disabilities 2 years, M.Ed Special Education Multiple Disabilities 2 years, D.Ed Special Education Multiple Disabilities 2 years, PG Diploma in Early Intervention 1 year, Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation 1 year, Diploma in Office Automation and Assistive Technology 1 year, Certificate course in Caregiving 6 months. For more details, visit the official website of the institute niepmd.nic.in. And now the fifth institute is Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities, PDUNI, PPD, New Delhi. This institute was established in 1960. It is located in New Delhi. The main disability area of this institute is physical disabilities. The main objective of the institute is to provide comprehensive rehabilitation services for persons with multiple disabilities and to promote inclusion through multidisciplinary education and support services. The courses offered by this institute are Bachelor of Physical Therapy 4.5 years, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy 4.5 years, Bachelor of Prosthetics and Orthotics 4.5 years, Master in Prosthetics and Orthotics 2 years, Certificate course in Bench Skills 1 year, Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation 1 year, MPT Physiotherapy, MOT Occupational Therapy, Certificate course in Community Based Inclusive Development CBID 6 months. So for more details you can visit the official website of the institute pdunippd.nic.in. Now the sixth institute is Swami Vivekanand National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research, Cuttack. This institute was established in 1975. It is located in Odisha. The main disability area of this institute is cross disability with focus on locomotor disability. The main objective of the institute is to deliver quality rehabilitation services, education and research in physical disabilities, and to build skilled rehabilitation professionals for the nation. The courses offered by the institute are Bachelor of Physiotherapy 4.5 years, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy 4.5 years, Bachelor in Prosthetics and Orthotics 4.5 years, Bachelor in Audiology and Speech Language Pathology 4 years, Master of Physiotherapy 2 years, Master of Occupational Therapy 2 years, Master in Prosthetics and Orthotics 2 years, D&B in Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation 3 years, Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation 2 years, Certificate in Bench Skills 1 year, Community Based Inclusive Development CBID 6 months, Certificate course in Caregiving for Parents 6 months. For more details you can visit the official website of the institute www.sbnirtar.nic.in. Now the seventh institute is National Institute for Locomotor Disabilities, Kolkata. This institute was established in 1978. It is located in Kolkata. The main disability area of this institute is locomotor disabilities. The main objective of the institute is to restore mobility and independence for persons with locomotor disabilities and to provide advanced rehabilitation, prosthetics and orthotics services. The courses offered by the institute are Bachelor of Physiotherapy 4.5 years, Bachelor of Occupational Therapy 4.5 years, Bachelor in Prosthetics and Orthotics 4.5 years, Master of Physiotherapy 2 years, Master of Occupational Therapy 2 years, Master in Prosthetics and Orthotics 2 years, Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation 2 years, Certificate course in Bench Skills 1 year. For more details you can visit the official website of the institute nild.nic.in. And now the eighth institute is Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, ISLR-TC. This institute was established in 2015. This is located in New Delhi. The main disability area of this institute is sign language and deaf community. The primary objective of this institute is to promote Indian Sign Language and quality education for the deaf community, and to develop trained professionals, interpreters, and learning resources. The courses offered by the institute are Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation, DISLI, 2 years. Diploma in Teaching Indian Sign Language, DTISL, 2 years. Certificate courses in Indian Sign Language. For more details, you can visit the official website of the institute, islrtc.nic.in. The ninth institute is National Institute of Mental Health and Rehabilitation, NIMHR. This institute was established in 2018. It is located in Sahor. The main disability area of this institute is mental health rehabilitation. The primary objective of the institute is to enhance mental health rehabilitation through education, research, and clinical services, and to support recovery, inclusion, and independent living. The courses offered by the institute are Certificate course in Caregiving, 1 year. Diploma in Community-Based Rehabilitation, 2 years. Diploma in Vocational Rehabilitation, Intellectual Disability, 1 year. Postgraduate Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology, 1 year. Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation, DISLI, 2 years. For more details, you can visit the official website of the institute, nimhr.nic.in. The 10th institute is Atal Bihari Vajpayee Training Center for Disability Sports, Gwalior. It was established in October 2nd, 2023. It is located in Gwalior. The main disability area of this institute is disability sports. The main objective of the institute is to develop sporting excellence among people with disabilities and to promote fitness, inclusion, and excellence in parasports. The courses offered by the institute are Residential Sports Training Program, usually 1 academic year. National Coaching Camps, short term. Parasports Training Camps, short term. Workshops for the Divyangans, usually 1 to 3 days. Coach Development and Capacity Building Programs. Talent Identification and Selection Trials, event based. For more details, visit the official website of the institute, cdsgwalior.nic.in. And now we will talk about the Composite Regional Centers, CRCs. According to the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, DEPWD, Government of India, there are 25 Composite Regional Centers, CRCs, functioning as the extended arms of various national institutes for persons with disabilities. The basic objectives of CRCs are to provide rehabilitation services to all categories of persons with disabilities, to train rehabilitation professionals, workers, and functionaries, to undertake programs of education and skill development for persons with disabilities, to create awareness among parents and communities regarding the needs and rights of persons with disabilities. List of CRCs and their parenting institutes under which they are functioning. So the CRCs functioning under Swami Vivekananda National Institute of Rehabilitation Training and Research are CRC Guwahati, Assam; CRC Ranchi, Jharkhand; CRC Balangir, Odisha; CRC Imphal, Manipur; CRC Shillong, Meghalaya. CRCs functioning under National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities are CRC Nellore, Andhra Pradesh; CRC Rajnandgaon, Chhattisgarh; CRC Devangere, Karnataka. CRCs functioning under National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Visual Disabilities are CRC Sundarnagar, Himachal Pradesh; CRC Jaipur, Rajasthan; CRC Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. CRCs functioning under Ali Jawad Jung National Institute of Speech and Hearing Disabilities are CRC Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh; CRC Ahmedabad, Gujarat; CRC Nagpur, Maharashtra; CRC Chhatarpur, Madhya Pradesh. CRCs functioning under Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay National Institute for Persons with Physical Disabilities, New Delhi are CRC Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir; CRC Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh; CRC Jammu, Samba, Jammu and Kashmir. CRCs functioning under National Institute for Locomotor Disabilities are CRC Patna, Bihar; CRC Agartala, Tripura; CRC Nahar Lagun, Arunachal Pradesh; CRC Gangtok, Sikkim. CRCs functioning under National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities are CRC Kozhikode, Kerala; CRC Andaman and Nicobar Island; CRC Madurai, Tamil Nadu. So friends, special education and rehabilitation is one of the fastest growing professional fields in India. With the implementation of the RPWD Act 2016, inclusive education policies, and increasing awareness about the disability rights, the demand for qualified rehabilitation professionals is continuously increasing. If you wish to become a special educator, rehabilitation psychologist, audiologist, speech therapist, physiotherapist, occupational therapist, sign language interpreter, rehabilitation professional, or disability rehabilitation worker, these national institutes provide excellent opportunities for higher education and career development. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and don't forget to follow me so that you never miss any updates related to special education, employment opportunities, disability rights, RCI courses, and inclusive education. So thank you so much.